Welcome back. If you're facing slow internet, websites not loading properly, or apps refusing to connect, one possible reason could be the private DNS setting on your Android phone. Turning it off is simple and can often help restore normal connectivity. First, go to the settings menu. You can do this quickly by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon, which takes you directly to system settings. Next, look for connections, or sometimes it may appear as network and internet, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to continue. Inside this menu, scroll down carefully and select More Connection Settings. This section contains advanced network options used by your device. Now find and tap on Private DNS. You will usually see it set to automatic, on, or sometimes showing a custom DNS provider name. This feature encrypts your DNS traffic but can occasionally cause connection issues if the server is unstable. To disable it, simply select the off option. After selecting it, confirm or tap save if your device asks for confirmation. On some phones, the change applies instantly without needing an extra save step. Once done, your phone will return to using the default DNS provided by your mobile network or Wi-Fi router. This often fixes browsing errors, improves app connectivity, and resolves loading problems. Your internet should now work more smoothly and reliably in most cases.